Today, I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about this back scrubber. Absolutely love this thing. Big problem every time when you're kind of in the shower, you're trying to like get back there. It's very hard to do so. This allows you to do that. I'm going to answer all the questions you could possibly have about this. This comes packaged in a very nice box, so it makes it super giftable. Let's take a bit of a closer look right over here. So this is exactly what it looks like right over here. Your nice bristles right over here. This could work with any body wash, soap, doesn't matter. It has a nice non-stick grip right over here on the back. As you can see this right over here. And these are kind of your bristles. We have a nice little hole right over here. So if you had a hook in your shower or wanted to hang it up or attach it to something, you do have that option. Now, this handle is 16.5 inches and really easy to grip. You could easily get your back. You can see right over here, you get your back all the way down here. You get your neck back over there, pretty much anywhere. I am 5'11", and you'll see right over there. I get down all the way over there. So if I was scrubbing like that, no problem. And then I go this way to get the rest of it. So even if you go backwards as well, this might be a better look like that. You could see right over there. You could basically cover everything. Actually, it might be easier to go that way, but you just have a lot of options with this. You can't do this with a washcloth. You can't do this with a loofah at all. So that's kind of one of the reasons I really like this a lot. Now, in terms of this right over here, this is great for exfoliation as well. So this will help with some exfoliation. It's good for all skin types. It's actually designed for sensitive, but will work for all different types, which is great. This dries really, really quickly, and it also repels moisture. So there's not going to be any buildup. As soon as you're done using this too, one of the nice parts about it is you just kind of like shake it off. You literally just put it in your towel, dry it off. It's a very quick drying material. Holds up super nicely. I've been using this for almost 4 weeks now, and it looks basically like brand new, which I really like. I take this to the gym with me, and I also have one at home. This is You could travel with this as well. I mean, I keep it in my gym bag every day, but I also have one separate at home. I do like the fact that you could hang it up. The handle, it just like you just can't miss. You can get everywhere with this as well, and even if like I said before, when you're kind of like down right over here, you could just come back around down over here and get that. The lather's up really nice, and you never have to worry about this thing just like sitting and collecting water because it runs off. So really nice bristles as well right over here too. Nice area as well. I've had other ones in the past that are just too big, in the sense of the actual pad that you kind of wash with. This is the perfect size for me. I do This does come in all different colors as well if you didn't like the black color. So if you are looking for a great back washer, body scrubber, get your shoulders, that's super comfortable. It's lightweight. You could reach your entire back. Definitely check this out. I absolutely love this thing. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and enjoy it.